Dear students, let us know some interesting facts about Earth. Do you know where does the sun rise and sunset? Yes, sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Do you know how does it happen? Are you thinking that sun is moving from east to west? No. In fact, sun is fixed and earth is moving around the sun. Children, do you experience any movement when you are in a moving bus or giant wheel or any rider? Of course, we experience the movement. But can you experience the movement of the earth on which we live? Definitely no. Because earth is a huge celestial body on which we are like a minute crystal particle. So, we cannot experience the movement of the earth. This you have learnt in the previous classes in the topic solar system. In the solar system, the sun is at the center and the 8 planets are revolving around the sun. Here, Earth is the third planet which is revolving around the sun. By this, it is clear that Earth has movement. Here, today in this topic, you are going to learn about movement of the Earth. Earth has two movements, rotation and revolution. Have you ever seen a top spinning? Look at this screen, children. We can see a vertical line when a top is spinning. It is the axis of the top. Here, the top is spinning on its axis. In the same way, Earth spins on its axis. What is an axis? An axis is an imaginary line that joins North Pole and South Pole. Actually, Earth axis is tilted at an angle 23.5 degree. It means Earth is also rotating around the sun in tilted position, that is a slant position. It is called as inclined position. So, Earth is rotating in inclined position on its axis. So, what is rotation, children? The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So, Earth rotates from west to east directions. By this, it happened that sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. And also, rotation causes day and night. Let us know how day and nights are formed. Look at the screen, children. When the earth is rotating around the sun, the portion of the earth which is facing the sun receives daytime. And the portion of the earth which is away from the sun is experiencing night. Like this, the portion which is facing the sun is experiencing day and the part of the earth which is away from the sun is experiencing the night. Like this, days and nights are caused. To complete one rotation, Earth takes 24 hours. It means one rotation is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours nothing but one day and night. Children, here are you observing an imaginary line which is separating the bright portion and the dark portion? This imaginary line is called circle of illumination. Children, now let us know about revolution of the earth. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The earth revolves around the sun in a fixed path called an orbit. The orbit of the earth is in elliptical shape or elongated shape. To complete one revolution, earth takes 365 days and 1/4 day. Actually, in every calendar, in common year, there are 365 days and there are 28 days in February month. This extra 1/4 day is added for every 4 years and a full day is added in February month and there are 29 days in February month in a leap year. So, there are 366 days in a leap year. Seasons are caused due to revolution. The change of seasons actually caused by two reasons. One is revolution of the earth and the other one is the tilt of the earth's axis. In the previous topic you have learned about earth axis. An axis is an imaginary line that joins North Pole and South Pole, which is in tilted position or inclined position at 23½ degree. And we know that equator is dividing the earth into two equal halves called hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Hence, the earth revolves around the sun in tilted position. So children, seasons are caused due to revolution. There are four main seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn seasons. When North Pole is tilted towards the sun, the northern hemisphere experiences summer season and South Pole is away from the sun, then southern hemisphere experiences a winter season. When two poles are at the equal distance from the sun, it means neither tilted towards the sun nor away from it, then autumn and spring seasons are caused. Now, let us know why there is variations in the lengths of days and nights. Actually, the tilt of earth causes the variations in the lengths of days and nights. In summer season, the days are longer and nights are shorter. Whereas in winter, it is quite opposite. The days are shorter and it gets dark early. It means nights are longer. Let us know, when do we have longest day and shortest day in a year? When there is summer season in northern hemisphere, there is the longest day on 21st June called summer solstice. On this day, the sun rays fall vertically on the Tropic of Cancer, and so the longest day forms on 21st June. Similarly, when there is winter season in northern hemisphere, the shortest day comes on 22nd December. On this day, the sun rays fall vertically on Tropic of Capricorn. Hence, on 21st June, there is summer solstice and on 22nd December, there is winter solstice. That is, longest day and shortest day. On one day, there will be equal length of day and night. It means equal hours of day and night. When sun rays fall directly on the equator, then equal lengths of day and nights occur. It is called equinox. Equinoxes occur on 21st March and 23rd September of every year. It means there will be 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night on these days. Actually, the North Pole and South Pole of the Earth receives very weak and slanty sun rays. So, the sun does not set during summer for 6 months, and similarly, the sun does not rises during winter for another 12 months. It means there will be 12 months of summer and 12 months of winter at the poles. Children, hence, by this topic you have learnt about the movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. Rotation causes day and nights and revolution causes seasons.